So, in 2025, one of the most asked questions in personal about you renting or buying a house. And honestly, it's not some easy yes or no answer anymore. Renting kind of feels like the chill option. You just pay monthly, no huge down payment, no surprise in plumbing costs, and if you want to move cities or switch jobs, it's an easier option. And yeah, that freedom, super valuable. But here's the part people often miss. All that money you're paying in rent, it doesn't grow, it doesn't build anything. It's like you're paying to borrow someone else's house with zero return. Now, on the flip side, buying a house, yeah, it's more of a commitment. It's going to cost more upfront. You've got to deal with taxes, repairs, paperwork, and all that adult stuff. But here's the thing. Every payment you make is going into something you actually own. It's called equity, and it adds up. Plus, homes usually increase in value over time, so you're not just living there, you're growing your investment too. And let's be real, there's also that pride. Being able to say, yeah, I own this place, just hits different. It's not just about money, it's about security and having something that's truly yours. Okay, so let's break it down in the realest way possible. Renting, it's easy, flexible, and perfect if you're not ready to settle down or just don't have the savings yet. You know what you're paying each month and that's it. But again, it's all expense, no investment. Buying, on the other hand, takes more effort and more money up front, but you're turning your monthly payments into something that stays with you, like you're actually building wealth. Over time, you own more of the house, and if property values go up, which, yeah, they usually do, your asset becomes more valuable. Plus, you get the freedom to paint your walls neon green if you really want to. So what's smarter? Honestly, it depends on your situation. If you're planning to move soon, have unstable income, or don't want the stress, renting makes sense. But if you're thinking long-term, have a steady income, and want your money to actually work for you, buying a home is usually the better play. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but the key is to look at your goals, your budget, and ask, do I want flexibility now or wealth later? Either way, just make sure your decision is based on facts, not pressure from social media or your uncle who bought a house in 1998 for pocket change. So, at the end of the day, renting isn't dumb and buying isn't always genius. It all comes down to where you are in life, financially and personally. If you're not ready to commit or just want peace of mind without the maintenance headaches, renting gives you that freedom. But if you're in it for the long haul, ready to build equity and create long-term value, buying a home can be one of the smartest financial moves you'll ever make. Just remember, both are tools. It's not about which one's better for everyone, it's about which one's better for you. Make the choice that grows your future, not someone else's.